Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800 BH. That's right, 2023. Single slide out, bunks in the back, queen bed up front, outside kitchen. Let's get started. Take a look. Hey guys, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip at the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to when you're in travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, RV. All right, stand at the entry door looking in. See your slide out. Nice light interior, light color linoleum floor. Kitchen on the side here. Solid door separating the bedroom. From the front looking back, you see your bunks. That's where we'll start. You got two large bunks. Each bunk has got its own privacy curtain. You got a ladder to get up top. You got a light. You got their own charging area, USB, blackout roller shades. You go down here, same thing. You got a receptacle, a light, but this bottom bunk will fold up out of the way, and you got tons of storage. Good for dog crate, bikes, storage bins, anything like that. When you turn here, you got nice hanging hooks here. Your convenience area. You've got controls for your awning, your slide, your lights. Check your holding tanks. Little storage area. This door is to your bathroom. Plenty of room around the porcelain toilet. Nice countertop area. Medicine cabinet. Nice spot for a trash can. More storage. You do have heat ducts. Nice deep storage there. AC. Exhaust fan, the retractable shower door here, so reduces the chance of spills, self-cleaning. If you're not a big fan of that, you can put your own shower curtain rings on here, put your own shower curtain. Tons of space in the shower. I'm 6'5". I got probably 2 more inches before I'm hitting the top up here, so I mean tight. I don't fit in many, but it is larger than most. Got a hanging bar here on the back. Your living area, you've got the Thomas Paine furniture with cup holders, storage, heat, massage, LED lights, footrest. They do recline. It is directly across from your TV. It is a Roku smart TV. HDMI and hookups. It is on a swivel arm, so you can see it from everywhere. Easy access to your cords. This has got the glass front, so you can sync your phone to the stereo. You got HDMI, USB there as well, and receptacles. Basically your pantry. You got good storage, deep drawers, storage, and then your fuse panel and circuit breakers are hidden away. 12-volt fridge. Again, we have the solar panel on the roof. We'll take a look at it in a minute. 12-volt fridge. Cool, a little quicker, a little bit larger. Down low, you got a spot for your wine bottles or large utensils. Dog bowls. Your oven. It's got a 3-burner range, flush mount cover, LED lights, huge pots and pans drawer, and these will keep your stuff from rolling around like so. Tons of countertop space. You got exhaust for your range outside, microwave. Nice light color accents on your cabinetry. Large stainless steel sink. There is a cover. We'll take a look at that. There's the cover, again, coming out of the plastic. It will roll up You can slide it halfway out of the way. You can strain on one side, wash on the other. You got options with that as well. You've got the extended spray head. More room there. Again, storage throughout. And then you get the little countertop extension. Receptacles, lights, blackout shades. You've got your U-shaped dinette. Now, this is in the down position, best way for it to travel. But we'll take a look at this as a bed, up. You've got the ottoman in the back. All right, here's the standard dinette with the ottoman out. An ottoman you can use as a footrest. You can take it outside, leave it out altogether. But the nice thing is you can pull the table all the way out and you got plenty of room without that in the way. But if you want the ottoman in, you're back to your U-shape sitting area. So you have options there. And then, of course, you can lower the table down and make it into a bed. And there's the table down, made into a bed. And again, you can take these cushions off as well. They're just Velcroed. But removing these cushions, you got the smooth or the fabric side. Fabric side there. And again, the table is basically just a little lock there, that yellow tab that you can raise and lower it, no problem. You got storage down low, your thermostat. We did equip this with 2 air conditioners. Both of them are ducted. Exhaust fan in the kitchen area. We mentioned the solid door for privacy, and you got the second door to go outside. Queen 60 by 80 walk around bed. Shocks that hold it up. Got a little sliding shelf here. 2 little cubby holes, which have got USB receptacles. You got a spotlight, or you can make it a night light, depending on how bright you want it. Little shocks there hold your storage doors up. You also got receptacles down low. Hanging space. Again, deep drawers. Spot for a TV. Heat ducts. Again, no heat ducts in the floor, which is a nice feature there. Your brand new 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800 BH. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. Hey guys, before we head outside, remember, if you're coming to the lot in Yorktown, you want to see this camper or any other one in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, moving to the outside, you see the nice front cap, LED lights, power tongue jack with the light, the model number, 2 20-pound LP bottles. You got a spot for 2 batteries, it will come with 1. Nice rock guard. Pass-through storage, your tire link dock, where you would hook that to monitor your tire pressure, temperatures. Nice safety feature here. Motion sensor light, and then the control for those front LED lights. Got your solar charger here. Nice clean pass-through storage. Your convenience area's got a hookup for outside shower, water hookup, battery disconnect, your receptacle, cable, satellite hookup, and then your battery tender that gives you the voltage coming out off your battery. The 2800 has a dry weight of 6,894 pounds. Got your pull valve for your gray tank. Nice deep slide. You've got your black and gray pull valves here, your black tank flush, convenience light, manual all 4 corner stabilizer jacks. Check down in the description. I'll have a link to video on those. Spare tire mounted on the bumper. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Up on the roof you got 2 air conditioners, your solar panel, TV antenna, roof vents, skylight, and top of your slide out. You are prepped for backup camera. Back side of your hot water heater. This is the hose you would use on the other side for your outside shower, or here on your spray port, which is nice for spraying steps, pets, kids, anything like that. It comes with the griddle, and again that tees right off your propane here. You've got a refrigerator, nice little storage area with a light and a receptacle. Magnetic latch that holds those up, and you do have a latch on either end in addition to the lock. Step above entry steps are adjustable. You got a little trigger here to adjust the height depending on the terrain, and they fold up nice and easy in the camper. Magnet that holds your door open. Full length power awning, LED lights, outside speakers, exhaust for your range. Got a hookup for TV outside, back side of your furnace. Both entry doors have the large assist handle. You got your aluminum steps up front, your 50 amp power cord, crank for your jacks, or again, watch that video down below, or you can use a socket for your drill. Receptacle, motion sensor lighting, again, nice and thick, slam latch compartment doors. Your brand new 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800. Remember, if you're heading out to the lot, you want to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised with the slide in, you see no access to the bedroom. But if you peek through here, you'll see you got another door, so you don't need to get through here for that. But you got full access to the refrigerator, freezer, the bunks, and you can still get in the bathroom. So full access with the slides in.